Hello everyone, welcome to Ais Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is focus on strengthening infrastructure, resolving bottlenecks and ensuring efficient operation of barrage systems. On 6th and 7th of January 2026, Shri V.L. Kanta Rao, Secretary, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, Ministry of Jal Shakti visited Farakka Barrage project and its various components including the major ongoing works and reviewed various technical and administrative matters of Farakka Barrage project. Commissioner DOWR, RD and GR, GMFBP and other officers from CWC and FBP accompanied the Secretary during the visit. Secretary visited following main components of FBP: main Farakka barrage, head regulator, fish lock gates and associated components. Eroded portion of 10th marginal embankment in upstream left bank of river Ganga near Birnagar area. Navigational lock at Farakka, feeder canal and Jangipur barrage. Secretary reviewed the overall progress of works undertaken under the Farakka Barrage project and understood the importance of strengthening and proper maintenance of Farakka Barrage and its component for fulfilling its objectives efficiently. The Secretary emphasized the need for timely completion of ongoing works, advised proactive resolution of bottlenecks, and stressed ensuring time-bound progress on priority works related to the operation, maintenance, and modernization of the Farakka barrage. The Secretary also met DC and SDM of the area and sought their cooperation in administrative issues. Concluding the visit, the Secretary assured full support of the Ministry for the overall development operation and management of jurisdiction and infrastructure under the Farakka barrage project. The second topic for the day is bitumen is a transformative step towards the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Shri Nitin Gadkari ji highlighted how agricultural waste can be converted into valuable national resource. He noted that bitumen is a transformative step towards the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047 by utilizing agro waste. It reduces pollution caused by crop burning and strengthens the circular economy. With 15% blending, India can save nearly rupees 4,500 crore in foreign exchange and sustainably reduce its dependence on imported crude oil. Speaking of CSIR's technology transfer ceremony titled From Farm Residue to Road, Biobitumen via pyrolysis, he says today marks a historic milestone in India's road infrastructure as the nation becomes the first in the world to commercially produce biobitumen. Union Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari ji congratulated CSIR and its dedicated scientists and thanked Union MOS Shri Jitendra Singh ji for his constant support in achieving this pioneering breakthrough. Shri Gadkari ji further stated that this innovation will empower farmers, generate rural livelihoods and boost the rural economy. Biobitumen, he said, truly reflects the Modi government's commitment to sustainable development, self-reliance and environmentally responsible growth, paving the way for the cleaner and greener future. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.